Dear viewer, today's welcome to my tutorial. Today I will tell you some of my assignments. Basically my assignments are about ICT. Let's get started then. I am Kumar Ranzit Subrot, Assistant Teacher, Mohammadpur High School, Jagodber Patgram, Lalmorihat. Contact number 017689400613. I was selected as the best content developer of the week on 5th October 2017. That is why I am so proud. Since then I have been working in popular web portal Shikok Batayan. Everyone will bless me. Honorable District Education Officer gave me credit for being selected as the best content developer. The chief guest of the ceremony gave me credit for being selected as the best content creator. Certification by A2I through Teachers Conference 2019 for being selected as the best content developer. I was selected as the ICT for District Ambassador Lalmorihat by A2I on 17th February 2018. Accepting the crest as Ambassador Teacher organized by A2I. Then I was selected as the best content creator by A2I on 1st November 2019. I am so proud. International Skill Award 2019-22 has been accredited for coordinating the integration of international learning in the curriculum. Microsoft Innovative Educator Expert 2020-2021. From 17th March 2020 to 19th March 2020, I have successfully achieved the first place in the BTT course. Received a certificate from Honorable Deputy Commissioner for his contribution to online teaching and popular web portal Shikok Batayan in the global COVID-19 epidemic. I have scored 8,26,300 points in Muktapad and some certificates at different times. That is why I am so proud. I have successfully completed the course on Basic Teachers Training BTT, Basic Teachers Training second batch, Bib Fattening, Competency Based English Communication Skills, C Programming second batch, C Programming, Graphics Illustrator, Housekeeping, Multimedia Classroom Monitoring and Mentoring, Multimedia Content Development, Multimedia Content Development second batch, Public Speaking, Quail Farming in Low Budget, Quail Farming in Low Budget first batch, Reading Instruction, Supplementary Reading materials development, troubleshooting in internet connection, troubleshooting in internet connection second base, troubleshooting in multimedia projector third base, troubleshooting in multimedia projector fourth base, vermicomposting, video editing, I have successfully completed online training on Right on Information Act 2009 for government designated officers. I have successfully completed the massive of an online course on Introduction to Technology Enabled Learning. I have successfully completed Road Safety Awareness course. I am so proud. Google Analytics Academy, Advanced Google Analytics Certificate of Completion. Schools and colleges across the country were closed due to COVID-19. As a result, the students' studies were severely disturbed. In this situation, we opened the pages of the schools of the concerned Upazila and cooperate in teaching. And I continue to take regular online classes by opening my school page.